Hello, welcome to our ASUS C202XA motherboard replacement tutorial. To get started, you'll need a few tools: a spudger, manual screwdriver, and a static mat. Step 1. Remove the 8 bottom cover screws. Step 2. Using your spudger, carefully pry up the palm rest, starting in one corner and working your way around the perimeter, unsnapping all the clips. Step 3. Disconnect the battery cable. Step 4. Disconnect the touchpad ribbon. Step 5. Disconnect the keyboard ribbon. You may now set the palm rest aside. Step 6. Locate and remove the 11 motherboard screws. Step 7. Disconnect the LVDS cable. Step 8. Disconnect the 2 Wi-Fi cables. Step 9. Disconnect the daughterboard data ribbon from the motherboard. Step 10. With your spudger, gently remove the motherboard from the unit. Step 11. Gently position the replacement motherboard into the unit, making sure that it is properly aligned with all the screw holes. Step 12. Reconnect the daughterboard data ribbon to the motherboard. Step 13. Reconnect the 2 Wi-Fi cables. Step 14. Reconnect the LVDS cable. Step 15. Lift the screen slightly to properly align the hinge screw holes with the motherboard screw holes. Step 16. Replace the 11 motherboard screws. Step 17. Reposition the palm rest. Step 18. Reconnect the keyboard ribbon. Step 19. Reconnect the touchpad ribbon. Step 20. Reconnect the battery cable. Step 21, replace the palm rest, making sure that it is fully snapped into place around the perimeter. Step 22, power on the unit to verify a successful repair. Step 23, power off the unit. Step 24, reinstall the 8 bottom cover screws. And now your repair is complete. Thank you for watching this video today. If you have any questions or need further information, we would always love to hear from you. You can contact us directly via our website at agpartseducation.com.